See, this software is the CCD cutting software. RDC Mark. This software. Install this for CCD in cutting. Install now. And click finish. See here. This one you need to see the machine. What is the version of the CCD? See the machine. What is the version? RDC. Choose the correct one. Yes, you need to choose correct one. Choose it, and click OK. And click confirm it. Install. Okay. Open the CCD software now. Open. So you can see here camera with here. You can see here camera. And now click this. Find this one. Click edit camera. Here my computer is network, but you don't choose it. Choose USB. You edit USB first one, because my demo is network. You understand? If your machine is USB connect, so choose first one USB. Don't use network. And confirm. So you can see here camera is okay. Then now you can move. Try to adjust the length of camera. Adjust the length. And here see the length big or small. And now you can click this to choose the temper, cutting temper. See this. You can change the camera locally. Change the camera at here. You can see camera. Here change locally the camera. Locally camera to see it. And this one you can choose the camera with minimal to see cutting with minimal. You can if you connect the machine, so you can see and put the paper to see it. Anything you can try, so you will understand. But here now see here is added a point. The delimit size we are trying to cut. Added to point. The point. Cutting a point. See machine cutting a point. You understand me? See the machine already cut the point. You need to write the correct size of the point. The point size. Click match. See there automatic distance show you. This distance is automatic match the CCD distance. You need to write here. After write the number, click this to check. This one is check. Automatic check the size. So now you can write a round distance for cutting. Click cutting the point. This is the point. The CCD point already cutting. And now you can move the mouse to see the CCD the position. Now this is the position. You understand? The position you can see. You can move the key mouse and click OK. Save. And now finish the camera setting. You can import file, the cutting file. Import the cutting. What you want to cutting. Import the cutting. And find the point. Click the point. We remember the point. The point we set up. This one is first point. First the position point. You can connect 1, 2, 3, 4 points out. 4 points out. So you can click here. Here I write 7 mm is the point size and click confirm. Same, the number check the marked number right here. And now select the position mark. Select it, click this select. And now you can click this select mark. And this is per view position. You can see the position whether it's okay. If position okay, so okay, cutting. Now cutting. Understand me? It's easy. Now it's cutting. Very nice. It's okay. Now cutting. Understand? Yes.